Guys, there's an ambulance! Cheer! Car crash! Ambulance! Ambulance! Coming to the rescue. And firefighters.
We almost got
Guys,
killed.
guys, there's a car crash. There was car crash. If there's smoke coming out, you guys, you can actually see it.
No, I'm serious. So, that nice car though.
Yeah. Imagine it was like Mana Maribel because she has the same car as that one.
Oh, no.
She has the
fuera
same-
Mana Maribel.
Because Mana Maribel has the same car as that one. Bro, guys,
Oh, I wasn't vlogging the whole time.
there was a car crash. So we were right there, then like two cars bump into each other. Then we heard a pop.
No,
A really long,
so
scared. I got almost a heart attack.
I got a heart attack.
Yeah, there's a car crash.
Lorena's right there, like.
Like, what is wrong? Look, there's two cars right there. Oh my
No, I'm
god.
serious. Like, so you know how you seen smoke before?
Yes, yeah.
That was like a bunch of smoke.
No,
coming out
it's
from
not-
inside the car from outside the car. And those people like got scared. They got out so quick, and I think one of the women got their eardrums. And I think someone got cucked really bad. The one who was driving over there, because this man was holding the woman. I don't know if it's a woman or a guy, but they were so. And plus, they called police and stuff.
Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, it's that woman. It's that woman. It's that woman. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry. We saw a car crash, guys. Oh my goodness. It was a really.
You can't go outside.
Yes, you can't go outside. Just big kids.
No, you can't. I'll show you.
Okay, big kids go outside.
I'm big kid.
They're to what? Yeah, look at that.
Go inside. Nobody's trying to get killed. You ain't going outside anymore.
Next time, you see the legs?
Yo, what happened?
Their legs is bleeding a lot.
Oh,
Their face is like.
I know.
What? I'll tell your mom.
Alan, come back over here.
Hey, go inside, Julie. Go inside. I'm telling your mom.
Okay. I'm going to go to. Xavier, let's go. Everybody, go tell your parents.
No, because then everybody's gonna come out.
Look at that. Look, there's random people outside. Imagine there was a little kid. Oh shoot!
I'm so glad.
Imagine there was like 0 months baby.
If I had my other phone, I would be calling Trinity right now to say stuff. That literally makes. Is that your phone?
Ya, ten cuidado ahí arriba. Okay. I'm going.
Hey, give me a pencil. Give me a pencil.
There's a car crash up there. We were just walking
Let's go this way.
the sidewalk and then cars crash into. You will, come on, guys.
Oh, shoot. Let's go see. Josh, help me. Hold on.
See, guys, we're not lying.
Oh, shoot, bro.
I should have got the keys from my dad's truck and been like,
Bro, this shit going good. Hey, Snapchat, wait, Snapchat. Show me Snapchat.
I got you.
Hey, they're gonna be like, go back and forth.
Okay, guys, I'm going to put the camera down.